I thoroughly understand English language 100%, no doubt. But when it comes to speaking this language, I get stuck. Why it happens? Why it is happening with me? I think this is my biggest problem. How can I solve this problem? How can I overcome of this problem? What should I do? How can I speak to someone fluently? How can I hold any conversation for more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Because whenever I initiate any conversation in between, I get stuck. And due to that reason only, I hang up the call. And after that, I think that why it is happening with me? How can I solve this problem? So, anyhow, I want to solve this problem. Is this your problem too? My friend, don't worry. I'm going to share with you something. It may help you to improve your English. See, beginners, they face this problem. Usually beginners only. Because as a beginner, we have less vocabulary in our mind. Due to lack of vocabulary, we fail to explain about something. Let's suppose if I ask you about the tree. Look at behind me, one tree is there. If I ask about the tree, you may have enough knowledge to explain about anything, about that tree or about anything in your mother tongue. But you will fail to explain in English language because you have less vocabulary, you have less knowledge in this language. So how you can solve this problem? First of all, you should practice a lot, right? Which kind of practice? Listening practice, reading practice, and speaking with someone. And if you have found that your grammar is not good enough, then work on that one also, right? Because many people, they fail to explain about something because of lack of vocabulary. Some of them, they fail to explain about something because of lack of knowledge in grammar. You know, they think a lot. They take a lot of time whether they are speaking right or wrong. So who will wait for you? If you are taking a lot of time while communicating with someone, they will usually hang up your call or they will not like to talk to you because you are taking so much time, right? So how can you solve this problem? I told you that you should practice a lot. Yes, my friend, start listening a lot. See, if you listen, you will get a lot of vocabulary. Many people, they ask me, should I learn vocabulary separately or from where should I learn vocabulary? It depends on your interest. If you read book or if you are interested in reading book, then you will learn a lot of vocabulary from there. While reading, you will get a lot of vocabularies, right? And if you are interested in watching, then watch, because while watching also you will come across a lot of vocabularies. Okay? If you are interested in listening, then listen. While listening also you will come across a lot of vocabulary. And in this way you can learn. But if you don't want to do these all things, then learn vocabulary separately. It depends on choice, our interest and our choice, you know. So I'm interested in reading books and listening and watching. I don't learn vocabulary separately. I don't do it. Okay? As a beginner, I was doing, to be honest. So if you are a beginner and if you don't understand while reading and listening and watching, then you should learn separately some words. But after that, try to learn from the books and videos because it will help you to learn quickly. So when we try to learn this language, as a beginner, we have less vocabulary in our mind, right? And that is why we fail to explain about something. My friend, you need to spend more time with this language. If you spend more time, your mind will have a lot of words and you will get idea how to explain about something, right? See, many people, they start judging us as per our speaking, that she is speaking well, she is very knowledgeable. He is speaking well about something, he is very knowledgeable. No, sometimes it happens because of we have less vocabulary and less knowledge in grammar. That's why we fail to explain about something. I told you, if someone explain about that tree very good way, then we should not just that he is only talented. No, it doesn't define whether you are talented or not. It's the matter of language. If you have this language knowledge, particularly English language knowledge, then you will better explain about anything, right? So we should stop judging someone as per their explanation, that how they are explaining about something, because it depends on your communication skills. It depends on that for how long you have been engaged with this language, right? So this is the matter. And how we can overcome, I told you there is only one way, that is practice. My friend, you won't believe, as a beginner I wasn't able to speak with someone more than 2 minutes or more than 1 minute, because it was very hard for me. I didn't have much vocabulary in my mind. I wasn't able to record any video. It was a big thing to do for me, you know. When I used to record my video for 1 minute, I used to get stuck. What should I say? Whether I'm speaking wrong or right. But when I started doing it, and when I started working on my grammar, and when I started spending more time with this language, I found myself, I started explaining about things, and I could do it uh, more than 5 minutes. And now also I can do it hours and hours. I can talk to someone because I have practiced enough. I have given a lot of time to this language, and you can do it too if you spend much time with this language, you know. It doesn't define whether you are talented or not, you know. Don't think like that, that if you are unable to do it or explain about something, you are not talented. Don't think like that, you know. You are talented. The thing is that you need to spend much time with this language if you want to explain about something in English language. So start reading and start listening and start talking to people. Many of us, what we do, we listen a lot, we watch a lot, we even learn grammar, but we don't speak. So to a large extent, because of practice also, we fail to speak with someone. Let's suppose you have enough knowledge, you have vocabulary, and you have grammar knowledge also, but you haven't spoken with anyone. You haven't uttered any sentences in front of anyone. Then how can you talk to anyone fluently? You need to practice, and that should be speaking practice, right? So you need to practice a lot so that you can speak anything clearly. My friend, it's not so easy, but it's not that difficult too. If you do it with consistency and with discipline, you can do it. Actually, it was very, very hard for me to record any video straightforward 5 minutes, you know. I used to fail many times, but now I can do it. I can even make 30-minute video straightforward without stucking, because I have practiced a lot. I have been doing this work for a long time. So it's all about practice. Whatever you want to do, try to practice a lot. Okay? So if you want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly, you need to spend a lot of time with this language, either in listening or in speaking or in learning grammar. Many people, they take a lot of time before they speak because of grammar. You know, they think that I'm speaking wrong, and they pause. They take a lot of time. So who will wait for you? You should learn grammar and start speaking and take less time. It's okay to take pause while speaking, but if you are taking a lot of time, I told you, who will wait for you? Everyone is in hurry, right? So if you are speaking well, they will definitely be ready to give their time and communicate with you, and it will make you fluent, because we need someone with whom we can speak and make our English better. Now AI is there, people, they are talking to AI. That is also so good, right? But we need to talk to people also if we want to speak in a community or somewhere. If gathering is there, if we want to speak in gathering, so we need to have enough practice, right? So this is the thing. So I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.